Hello guys, BFix18 here, and I'm in this movie store, and I just found Marvel Select, Deadpool, and Ant-Man, and oh my god, I'm freaking out. We got all these great Marvel Selects. Deadpool, we got some Marvel Legends, we got great Marvel Legends. We've got NBA, but look, we got Hawkeye, Iron Fist, Avenging Allies, Grim Reaper. Wow, we got a lot of good people. Maidens of Might we got over there, but Marvel Select is what I'm really happy about. They got Deadpool and Ant-Man, two I really want. Oh crap, and then they got, oh, who's this, Elektra? Man, they got a lot of collectible figures here. I'm very happy about this. This is a big figure selection. Ooh, Star Wars, they got Guavian, Kylo Ren, Dameron, Constable Zuvio, Batman 5-pack. This is awesome. This is just something I'm very happy about. Some more bobbleheads and stuff. Hawkeye's really awesome, but I can pick him up at Walmart because I know he's there. I've seen him all the time. This is just awesome. Whoa, wait. White Tiger. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. I cannot believe this. This was one of the figures I was going to order online, and they literally have it, and I just cannot believe it. I need to check this price because I really want this. Super bad. Wait a minute. Halo figures. Ooh, Tanaka, Locke, Kelly. They got the old series. Oh, this is awesome. Man, I love this place. I'm coming here. Got Star Wars figures, Fallout figures. Oh, my best friend would love this. Mortal Kombat Scorpion, RoboCop. This is like a geeks like me is just heaven right here. It's the first time I've checked figures here. And I can't. I didn't even notice this. Whoa. What? Are you serious? Now Iron Man? Alright, so at this movie store I'm picking up Deadpool because I really want this Deadpool. It's Marvel Select, and it'll work perfectly with my new Marvel collection I'm starting. And in probably a week I will try to come back and pick up maybe Iron Man and Ant-Man because these things are $27, and that's probably how much it's going to be on Amazon with shipping and stuff. So I guess since I don't have Amazon Prime. So this is pretty much what I'm going to get, this Marvel Select. I was going to buy this online today anyway, but I just got new shoes, so I can't do a lot. I mean, I really like these Halo figures, but I will be coming back next week for a lot of these. Maybe probably buy Loki or Tanaka, probably. I like Tanaka and Loki. They're really cool. Kelly, you're pretty cool, but you're kind of like a ripoff of Hermes. So thank you guys for watching. This is a really good collectible. I suggest if you have a movie store like this, you really need to come down here and pick it up. Go pick up a lot of stuff. I mean, like, Hawkeye's really awesome. My dad might buy him for me next week, and White Tiger's awesome. There's just a lot of movie stuff that I'm sure you'll love. I mean, I really wanted this Ant-Man, but I need to get Deadpool. So yeah, talk to you guys later.